Hello viewers, this is Renuga. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. In this video, we are going to discuss about the GST overview. In previous videos, we are also studied about and viewed about the some indirect tax concept and what are the benefits and what are the hindrance as a taxpayer they have to face everything we discuss in the previous videos. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the GST concept, that is a goods and service tax. Actually, this is a unified indirect tax which was introduced in India 1st July 2017, and also it is replacement for some multiple indirect taxes like VAT, excise duty and service tax, some kind of road tax, entry tax, local tax, everything it is coming under the some different category of indirect taxes. Actually, it is creating a simplified tax structure and also following a multi-tier tax rate system. Okay, somebody they asking multi-tier is nothing but we are using the goods and services. We are utilizing as a consumer, they are going to utilize the goods and services. At that time, they have to pay the GST rate. It's depending upon the consumption of goods and services. Okay, like 0 percentage, 5 percentage, 12, 18 and 28. So these are the some multiple rate of system followed by the GST Act. And also GST operates a dual model system. Is a dual is nothing but it is a two-way system. Okay, so dual is nothing but the two important concept while we are using it. What is the two important concept? CGST and SGST. So CGST is nothing but central GST, that is Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST, yes, is nothing but the State Goods and Service Tax. Okay, so these are the two dual concept under the GST Act. Okay, so that CGST and SGST for the transaction happening within the intrastate. Okay, and also IGST we have to calculate and collect it for the interstate transaction. For example, suppose if you are going to purchase any item from Karnataka, okay, we are in Tamil Nadu, okay, so there is a trader in Tamil Nadu, but they are going to sell their product in Karnataka. At that time, they have to collect the IGST tax. Okay, this is called the interstate transaction. The transaction happening between the two different state. Okay, next GST actually it's a aim to eliminate the tax cascading. Okay, so the cascading is nothing but the tax will be paid by over. Okay, so that particular tax burden will be reduced by the way of utilizing and implementing the GST. Okay, next we move to what do you mean by GST? So goods and service tax, it is a comprehensive indirect tax which may be levied on supply of goods and services in India. Actually, it was introduced already, I told you, no, it is introduced in the year 2017 for replacing the multiple indirect taxes like VAT, excise duty, and service tax. Okay, so these are the some important multiple indirect taxes while they are following in a concept. Okay, next we move to the GST history. So evolution. Okay, so actually the concept was proposed in the year 2000 by Atal Bihari Vajpayee government to create a unified tax system. After this a year of discussion, the 22nd 122nd constitutional amendment bill was passed in the year 2016, and officially GST was implemented in the year 2017. And also already told you know it's a replacement of multiple indirect taxes and also aims to simplifying the tax structure, and also they are boosting the Indian economy. Next we move to need of GST. What is the purpose we are implementing the GST? Is nothing but the elimination of tax cascading, simplified tax structure, economy we have to improve, transparency, and also one nation, one tax. So this is the main concept we are implementing the GST. Next, we move to the some important merits and demerits of GST tax. Okay. So under the tax payment, we are have to make the some important merits is free freedom of tax and also improving the efficiency of the some category will be making us a impact, and demerits in the sense we have to make some transaction can be betterly in working on the capitals. Okay. And next we move to the impact of GST. Some case GST implementing at the time in small business and large scale industry, they have to get the some impact, simplified compliance and seamless input tax credit. These and all the some important impact while we are implementing the GST.